Ingredients used in skincare products play a significant role in improving your skin's health. Glycolic acid and salicylic acid are the two ingredients in particular that are commonly found in many skincare products such as toners and cleansers. In this matchup of glycolic acid vs salicylic acid, which one should you choose for your skin type and why? While both of these are good for your skin, which one of these will benefit your skin the most? Keep watching this video to find out. What is glycolic acid? Glycolic acid is an organic compound that belongs to the group of alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs. This compound is commonly found in sugary and acidic fruits such as sugar cane, lemons, and melons. These acids are water-soluble and are used as exfoliants. What is salicylic acid? Salicylic acid is also an organic compound found in willow bark and vegetables like broccoli, cucumber, and mushrooms. This belongs to the beta-hydroxy acids, BHA group. BHA are oil-soluble acids and can also be used as exfoliants. Now that you've got an idea of what these ingredients are, let us understand which one is better for your skin according to your skin condition. Given that glycolic acid is water-soluble and salicylic acid is oil-soluble, certain skin conditions may favor one ingredient over the other. Acne treatment. Glycolic acids possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help you soothe the inflammation caused by acne and alleviate its symptoms. 1. Salicylic acid also helps in treating acne as it unclogs your pores by removing the excess dirt. 2. While both seem to do the job, studies suggest that salicylic acid is better in treating acne if you have oily and acne-prone skin. 3. In a study, participants with acne were treated with glycolic acid and salicylic acid. The group which was treated with salicylic acid saw a 74% reduction in acne in comparison to a 70% reduction with those treated with glycolic acid. 3. You can use a salicylic acid-based exfoliant to help with your acne. Glycolic acid can be used to treat acne if you have dry skin. Using skincare products such as glycolic acid cream and glycolic acid cleanser might prove to be beneficial in treating acne. 1. As a chemical peel, both glycolic acid and salicylic acid-based peels are beneficial for exfoliation. However, glycolic acid-based chemical peels have an edge over their counterparts as they can be used on all skin types, while salicylic acid peels are suitable mainly for oily skin types. In addition, glycolic acid-based peels also help in maintaining the moisture of your skin by regulating its pH level. 4. Keratosis pilaris treatment. Salicylic acid is a keratolytic agent, prevents excess keratin formation that permeates deep into the pores and unclogs the dirt. Keratosis pilaris is a skin condition that causes excess production of keratin that blocks the hair follicles and pores. Studies suggest that salicylic acid exfoliants and peels can help break down keratin and can be used to treat this condition. 2. In this case, salicylic acid is better suited to treat this condition. Treatment of sun-damaged skin. Sun-damaged skin can be treated by using skincare products that contain either glycolic acid or salicylic acid. Glycolic acid can help prevent UV-induced conditions and salicylates. Derivatives of salicylic acid are often used in sunscreens. 2. 4. However, salicylic acid-based products are better choices. Glycolic acid-based products can increase the sensitivity of your skin to sunlight and heat and may cause you discomfort. 5. For this reason, you should also avoid salicylic acid before and after getting any kind of laser or light treatment for your skin. These are some of the skin conditions that can be treated using glycolic acid and salicylic acid. Let us look at some of the other benefits of these ingredients. Hydroxy acids such as glycolic and salicylic acid have been used in skincare treatment for nearly a few centuries. Present-day cosmetics and skincare products use these as active ingredients. That being said, here are a few shared benefits of these ingredients. May help in anti-aging. Studies suggest that anti-aging skincare products that have glycolic acid or salicylic acid as active ingredients may help reduce wrinkles and fine lines. The exact science behind this is not known. However, there is a working theory that has been popularly accepted. According to this theory, these ingredients help in removing calcium ions that are deposited in the skin due to aging. Removal of this excess calcium helps promote cell growth. This helps in making the skin appear younger and wrinkle-free. 6. Salicylic acid peels help improve skin texture, making it appear smooth, and may also improve the appearance of fine lines. 2. May help lighten skin tone. Glycolic acid may help in reducing the size of the pores on your skin, thereby improving its texture and leaving it brighter and lighter. studies suggest the use of creams that contain glycolic acid, and glycolic acid peels may also help reduce the risk of hyperpigmentation that causes dark spots. 1. Studies also suggest that using chemical peels that contain salicylic acid can also help reduce hyperpigmentation and can have a whitening effect on the skin. 7. While using skincare products with these ingredients are great for your skin's health and are a good addition to your skincare routine. Which is the right one for your skin type? Let us find out in the next section. Both glycolic acid and salicylic acid-based skincare products can be used in the form of creams, serums, toners, cleansers, face masks, and peels. They can be used during the night and day as well. Some products may be formulated to be used as overnight creams, peels, or masks. Products like serums and cleansers can be used at any time to remove dead skin cells and clean clogged pores. Certain salicylic acid-based products may not be recommended for daytime use as they can increase your skin sensitivity to sunlight. 5. Glycolic and salicylic acid are popular ingredients used in various skincare products. Using glycolic and salicylic acids may help reduce fine lines and wrinkles and brighten your skin. However, it is important to understand which of these acids may suit which skin type. Glycolic acid is water-soluble and is suitable for dry skin, while salicylic acid is oil-soluble and is suitable for oily skin. You will find salicylic and glycolic acids in skincare products like toners, cleansers, or face masks. We hope this video helped you put the glycolic acid vs. salicylic acid debate to rest. We are almost wrapping up. These are the common differences between these two. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.